When you open the app for the first time, you will need to register for an account. Add your name, email, and date of birth, and set a password. Then, log in. Once on the home screen, click Join Club to join your first Clubhouse. You can type in your club code, scan the QR code, or look for all of the clubs at your school. Click Submit to join the Clubhouse. Now your home screen will show the Clubhouse that you just joined. Once you click on the club you want to interact with, you will have the option to see requirements for the club, as well as all of the types of activities the club has. When you click on any of the activity types, you will be shown upcoming events for that activity type. When it's time to attend an event, just tap the green Enter button and scan the QR code. When leaving, you might need to tap the red Exit button and scan the QR code again. This will depend on the type of event you are attending. Follow instructions from club leadership. If you have any questions or need help using Clubhouse, email us at info@clubhouse-app.com.